Hey, happy to see you guys again. So if you guys have watched my other devlogs on Spotify, then smash that subscribe button right now, please. So if you guys have watched the other devlogs of Spotify, then you guys might know what I'm making. I'm making a game that is filled with fun mini games which you can play with your non-existent friends. So the first thing I have added is to add a trajectory line to the things that you can throw. This helps you see where the ball actually goes and what it hits. There were a few bugs with the system, there still is, but still I have debugged a few of the bugs. So now I have moved on to the main part, the mode 1. And the first mod I'm adding is the floor is lava. Instead of lava, I'm adding water.
And that's why this video is sponsored by water!
Get back to the basement right now.
Oh.
This is a multiplayer mode, and the first player to reach the finish line wins the game. This is the map for the floor is water. This map is not finished yet. We are still working on it, adding puzzles and fun to it. So you start the map at the very bottom and then you climb up by doing tasks and puzzles in the map. We have added a few puzzles to the game and we are still working on a few of them. I have also added a few new things to the game. For example, this new crate which can hold these balls that you can throw at the players, these new slides and a new portal. I also added this small physics-based bridge as well. I added a walking animation to the player, so if you walk you can see a cool animation right now. I was too lazy to add the jump animation, but then I thought it's a fun game and then the jumping looks good now. I haven't added the crouch animation yet, but I will add it in the future. So far the game looks really good and it's really fun to play. So I invited my friend David to playtest it and then tell his reviews and feedbacks. And you can listen to him by yourself.
Hola guys, this is my honest review and I'm definitely not held at gunpoint. Isn't that right?
It is right.
Okay, so without further ado, let's start this review. Completely honest, 100%. So I actually really like this map. It's very unique, and the genre was probably one of the best things actually. It's very unique in the gaming market. What I really liked most about it is that it's actually going to be a multiplayer. As you see, there's not many games that are probably free or cheap, the multiplayer. And I just want to have like good fun with friends and everyone. So that's what I think of the game so far.
Thank you, friend, for your honest review. So next, I have already told you guys that I'm gonna change the name of the game. So I have changed it to Flop Fighters now. So I hope you guys like the name, and if you have any recommendations about the name, I hope you guys say that in the comment section. That's it for this devlog. I'll be back with a new devlog by adding lots of new features. I'll be also adding multiplayer soon to the game. If you guys like the devlog, then smash that subscribe button right now. If the video gets 1k like, I'll let David escape my basement.